On question 10, a dilation is not a Ritzer transformation because it's not congruent. Rigid means it's going to be congruent. It's not congruent. Now, here we have a glide reflection. And it's a glide reflection because if we take a look here, it's a reflection and a translation. If I take this triangle, I'm going to flip it, and then I'm going to slide it. Now, does it matter if I slide it, then I flip it? No. That's what makes it a glide reflection. It's commutative. That is, if I slide it first, so they match up, then I flip it, that actually might be easier to see. And on question 14, I want to know the coordinates after a translation of 4 and negative 9. So if I go negative 2 plus 4, that would be 2. So that crosses out A and B. And what the heck? 1 minus 9 is negative 8. Sorry about that. It is. So the only answer could be C, because that's the only one that is possible after the first one. And if I take a look at 15, which transformation is shown? I'm not doing a reflection in the x-axis, because if I did it in the x-axis, it would be down in my first quadrant. Am I doing a reflection in the y-axis? Sure looks like it, doesn't it? I'm going from negative 3 to positive 3. That is what we're doing. We're doing a reflection in the y-axis. We're not translating it because we're not sliding it. Okay? It's definitely a reflection. It's not a rotation because it's not turning. So that choice would be G. And the last one, what's going on from 1 to 2 to 3? Well, if I look at from 1 to 2, that looks like a rotation, doesn't it? Yeah. So it's not a reflection and it's not a translation. Now from 2 to 3, I'm doing a reflection. I'm not translating it, so we're doing N. Notice the way to approach that is maybe like process of elimination. Look at which ones don't work, and then what you're left with is what we want.